video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to make my sort of double bow, just like this, using the bow maker. So we've got the bow maker here, and we have 4 dowels that fit into it, and this will allow you to make bows of different sizes. So for this one, I'm going to move 2 pegs to 3 and 2 pegs to 2, and I'm simply going to cut the ribbon. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to take 5 of the length of the bow maker. I've just found this kind of helps. It may not be the right size, but you can always take it from the roll. And all we're going to do is to go around the front 2. We're going to cross at the back and take those back over the front 2. And this is the important bit to get that beautiful twist. We cross them at the back. I'm then going to go around the front on peg 3 on one side, peg 3 on the other, cross them at the back, and again go back over to the front and back over to the front. So remember, cross and back over to the front. We then cross them at the back, and we take the one that is underneath. So we hold the top one over, we take it through, and we're going for this center circle here, that being the exact center of our bow. We pass this tail underneath, just like this, like that. We then take that back over, which then ties off this tail here, making it a lot easier to do with one person. And we bring that tail back through. We simply take this piece and make a knot. And we tie our knot off. At this point, if you want to sort of have the pageant sort of ends, this is when I cut it. So I fold these in half and cut the points, or you can cut a fishtail, whichever you want to. You simply relieve it off, and the easiest way to do that is to take out a couple of the dowels, and we take it off. Move our bow maker away, turn it over, and there we have our beautiful double bow that will never sit flat. It won't shrink back in. So there's one made with number 3 and number 2. There's one made with number 2 and number 1. And it doesn't matter what width of ribbon you use. This at the moment I think is a 2-inch wide. You can use 1 inch or anything. It's so easy to do, just using your bow maker and the 4 dowels that come with it.